Alright, this is my 1998 BMW 540i, and I'm going to show you guys how to wire up the watt box. It's about $199 on their website. You have to pay with PayPal though, so you have to make a PayPal account. So the kit comes with a couple zip ties, a couple tubes of heat shrink, the hardware, and then the 6-plug wire. Let me get a flashlight and a USB. So I have mine mounted up under here, and I have the wires running through the firewall back here. I don't know if you guys can see or not. And then I have my USB coming through the carpet right here, but because you only need it for once or twice or every time you want to change it. So all the wires except for one will go through the firewall. The green one will go to your clutch pedal sensor on your clutch pedal. On the other side, the rest will come up through here where your ECU is. Now they're back in here. So then the blue one, I ran mine out through here and under the cover and right over here to the TPS sensor right there. My other one will be this yellow one. I connected it to the #1 fuel injector. And then the red one will be the input to your main spark plug signal, and the orange one's the output. And the black's the ground, so that's it.